Cleaning a stain on our carpet my son threw up, and then I realized that it cleaned it so well that you can tell how dirty it is around it. Let me show you. So I don't know if you can see, but like this is like perfect carpet. This is where the stain was. The stain's gone. And then this is, do you see that? You see how dirty this is? So I'm about to clean it, and let's see the difference. You see the difference? Like, am I crazy that this area looks so much brighter than this? Also, look at that dirty ass water. Like, that's absolutely disgusting. Okay, so here's the final result. Let me know what you guys think. Can you tell a difference? I think I can. Oh my gosh.